Hey, let's check out this drop top Corvette convertible. We have a 1972 model here, Chevrolet convertible. Nice looking vet. Now, a lot of things going for this car as far as originality goes. This is a numbers matching 350 V8 underneath the hood. It is also the correct color, Elkhart green, which would be 946 as far as a paint code. That is the correct color. Black vinyl interior, which would be a 400 trim code. That's correct. So the way you see this car, very similar to the way it would have came from General Motors back in 1972. This car does have, let's call it camel or tan soft top to it. It'll fold up. It also has a black vinyl hard top that will go with the car. I will get a little video of both of those on the car, or in the case of the soft top, with it up, so we can check out that too. I'll let you take a good close look up here at the bright work in the front of this car. This car was restored right around 5,000 miles, let's put it that way. Spent the majority of its life in Missouri. And again, when brought back from its original condition of being restored, it was kept the same color. Very original things on this car, including the interior options. Now, a few little things have been touched up. There's one little spot in the paint up here. You can see where it's touched up there. You got to be kind of right on top of it to notice it. And then there was another little touch-up paint spot right here in the hood. But overall, very showable car. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to check out the underside of this, the interior. You'll see it with all the tops up or down, hard top on it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this one. Equipment on this car: power steering, power brakes, factory AC Corvette. AC, I did not have the compressor turning on and off, so it may need to be charged. I believe it was still the R12 too. We'll check out those fittings when we pop the hood, look underneath there at the engine bay. As you can see, riding on rally wheels, center caps, beauty rings, just what you'd expect on this car. It's not the wheel covers that would have came on these sometimes. Something also is kind of cool about this car. I did notice that the build date was August 19th of 71, so I knew this was an early built 72 Corvette, and judging by the VIN number, it's the 485th one that was produced in 1972. Kind of interesting. 350 is paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It does have a little more modern AM/FM stereo in there, and that does work. I did have that working. The wipers work on this. The headlights will go up and down just fine. We'll play around with those headlights when we start it up too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, 72 still retained front and rear chrome bumper. Go ahead and let you take a look at this as far as the condition of it goes. Get up close. See, there's a nice reflection coming off that chrome. You can see it does show a little bit of its age though, but again, presentable. Don't be afraid to get in this one. Take any of those local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads, especially on this Elkhart green. Driver and passenger side, both free, really much for dings, nicks, or scratches. I kind of pointed out the two I noticed on the front. Not much up and down the sides of it that you really notice. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, which is also extremely nice, but it's what you'd expect for a restored Corvette with not a lot of miles put on it since it was done. Door panels, looking good. Carpeting seats. Take a look at these seats. Hardly look like anybody's gotten in and out of them. Behind here, I will also show you there is a big folder that will have receipts in it. A lot of restoration receipts and what have you in there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a listen to it. All right. Odometer shows 8,036. That's probably not real far off from miles. I said about 5,000, 6,000, somewhere in there as far as the miles since restoration, so that is not very far off from that at all. I did notice this also. Take a look at this. Working clock. Here's the other gauges also work. Again, wiper door. Wipers, they worked. Pull the headlights here a second. Headlights both come up and we'll go down. I did have that radio also working. The one thing I did notice, the fan blows and everything, but the AC was not cold. Did not get the clutch to kick on and off. As you can see, kind of the envelope style glove box, if you will, in nice condition. Lots of times we see those sagging and falling down. Nice sounding car. Flip around to the back so you can hear it. Door shuts nicely. There we go. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Again, original engines. Engine number matching. 350 underneath there. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to open this hood quick. Take a peek underneath there. Then we'll get the hardtop on. We'll put the soft top on up after that so you can check it out. Right, aluminum radiator was added. Engine was gone through at the time of restoration. Here you can see power brakes, power steering down there, if you can see through there. Of course, there's your AC, and it is the old fitting. That could always be converted and updated. Nice looking engine bay, and you can see how smooth that engine runs and sounds. Alright, I'm going to pause this 1 second. I'm going to turn the car off, flip the hood down, and I want to put that hardtop on so you can check that out. It is over there. Unfortunately, no, the stand will not go with it. We keep that for display purposes around here, but we'll have it on the car. You purchase this car and have it shipped to you. So give me a second. Let's get that hardtop on and check it out. So here's the black vinyl top installed. Give you a quick walk around with this, show you what I noticed on it. Obviously solid glass rear window, nice shape, bright work trim pieces around it, look good. One little wear spot down here. Overall vinyl in nice shape. I'll show you the one spot on the side over here. One little spot there, and you can see that in the still pictures. But again, considering it looks original, and I'm sure this has not been on the car a whole lot. You get a convertible Corvette. We drive it with the top down, most likely. But if you wanted to do any sort of long trip with it and wanted a hard top on there, there it is. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to end up putting that soft top up so you can check that one out too. So just give me a little bit, we'll have that top up and be able to take a look at that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, seen the top down, seen the hard top on. Now let's check out this soft top. It's like I said before, kind of saddle or tan. It gets washed out a little bit in the video and the pictures. It's just a shade darker than it appears right there in the video. Vinyl top, rear plastic window, all in good working order. Easy to put up, easy to put down. Same with the hard top going on and off. One little tiny slight mark right there, but boy, that's minimal. This top's going to serve its purpose. It's going to keep you dry. You get caught any sort of inclement weather and you have the top down on it. There, as you can see, really nothing major. That one little small spot that I pointed out. And again, how many times are you going to use the soft top on this car? So there you go, 1972 Chevrolet Corvette convertible Elkhart green. Correct original color it would have came. Restored what we can say probably between 5,000 and 8,000 miles ago, according to the odometer. That was turned back when they restored it. Previous owner thought it was somewhere around that kind of 5,000 to 6,000 mark. So not a lot of miles in this restoration. The 485th 72 Corvette made, kind of interesting. Original numbers matching, 350, turbo 400, automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still pictures. And don't forget, it comes with that hardtop with a vinyl finish to it. It also comes with the soft top. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.